In front of me is REALME C3i, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So at first, let's open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and reach users and accounts. And as you can see currently, we do have one Google account here, so to get rid of it, just mark it, and then tap on more icon. And if you would like to remove it, just tap on remove account, and select remove account to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is not connected with your device. And whenever you would like to add Google account, just mark it, pick Google because you would like to add Google account, enter your email address or phone number here, in my case it will be email address, and tap on next. Now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Just read those terms right here, and if you do agree with all the conditions written above, just tap on I agree. And here you can manage Google services, so for example you can turn off Google Drive if you want to, but I will leave it on, and then just tap on accept. So that's it. As you can see, your Google account is added to this device so you can smoothly use it. And that would be all, so you can manage Google accounts on your phone and your REALME C3i. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.